In this lesson, we're going to look at how we actually divide fractions. Now, what I would recommend is if you haven't watched the multiplication of fractions video, go back and actually watch that first. To divide fractions, we actually rewrite it as a multiplication question. We write down the first fraction, you change the division to multiplication, and you flip the second fraction over. That's the reciprocal. Then it's just a case of multiplication. 1 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 1. Let's have a look at the second question. So again, the process is write down the first fraction, change the division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So that'll be 3 over 2. Now, if you recall from the multiplication video, we always look for opportunities to cancel any values. And I can see I can cancel the 9 and the 3 and the 4 and the 2. 2 will go into 2 once and into 4 twice. 3 goes into 3 once and into 9 3 times. So I have 2/3, and that's multiplied by 1 over 1, or just 1. And the final answer is 2 over 3. On to question 3. Again, same process. Write down the first fraction. Change the division to a multiplication and flip the second fraction. So 35 over 8. Again, we're looking for opportunities to cancel where possible. I know that 2 will go into 6 3 times and into 8 4 times. 5 will go into 15 3 times, and it will go into 35 7 times. And we also notice that the 3 and the 3 will cancel. 3 goes into 3 once and into 3 once. So we actually end up with 1 over 1 multiplied by 7 over 4. And we get 7 over 4, and we could rewrite that as a mixed number. So that is 1 3/4. Question 4, again, write down the first fraction, 14 over 35. Change the division to a multiplication and flip the second fraction. Let's look for opportunities to cancel. Well, 7 goes into 7 once, into 14 twice. 5 will go into 10 twice, and into 35 7 times. So we have 2 over 7 multiplied by 2 over 1. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7.